Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In this session, we will learn one step ahead from displaying the profile. So in this session, we will learn more about labeling and shading of profiles. In order to do so, we will access the file saved in the last session, which was lecture number 71. Here we have a profile right in front of us. We did multiple changes in the last session. We will access the profile view properties like this, go to the hatch properties, and here we will do some changes. Let's click on cut area. We can rename it as cut profile. The upper boundary must be the access road and the lower boundary must be the flush view one. Here we have different styles. Let's choose the cutting material and create a copy. We want to create our own layer. Under Information tab, we will rename it as 0 dot cut area. It is created by AllaGeo. In Display, let's go to Profile, change the shape border line to any color we want, like the red one. Here the shape area fill is ANSI 31. We can choose any from ISO, other predefined or custom. But let's go with ANSI 31 and change the scale, for instance, to 1.0. Let's apply and see the effects. You can see the red markings in the cut area, but they are too close, as if they look like a solid. So we need to change the scale in profile to 25. Now we can see proper hatching. Let's access the profile view properties again, and in the hatch, we will add the fill area. Let's rename it to fill profile. Make sure the upper boundary is flush view 1 and the lower boundary must be access road because it is for the filling profile. Here we can choose the same as 0 dot cut area, create a copy, go to Information tab and change the name later. Currently we will choose the same, but the color should be green like this. Same pattern and same scale. Let's hit apply and see the effect. Now you can see proper labeling. Here we have red and green hatching. Make sure to rename the profile as 0 dot fill profile. Next thing is labeling. So for flush view 1 labels, currently we have these 4 different type of labels. You can see this one, this one, this one, and here we have few more labels. What if we want to add or remove them? What we can do, access flush view 1, click on the labels and edit. Here we have lines, let's remove it. Now once we hit apply and then press OK, you can see there are no more labels shown. So we can edit and add labels on our own. First, let's add some sag curves for both crest and sag. Let's add it. Then we have these crest curves. Let's add them both for crest and sag. Then we can add some grade breaks for station over elevation. Then finally we can add some lines in slope 1 in X. Now we have added 4 different types of labels and you can clearly see them in the profile. There is no hard and fast rule to select or deselect any specific labelings. It depends upon your own utility and the requirement of projects. So, I would like you to save this file as lecture number 72 as we were doing all the changes in lecture number 71. Then we can simply close this basic interface. Instead of going with these labels or these pattern styles for the hatching, I would like you to do some experimentation. And with these improvisations, you can select different type of hatching styles and patterns, add different type of labels to see the different effects, as this is the only way you will get a better understanding of these areas. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.